Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Side Hustle. Today I have fantastic news if you like to play games on your phone or your computer. Did you know you can now get paid by playing games on your phone? Yes, all you need to do is play games. You heard that right. You can turn your pastime into a money-making side hustle. Imagine just relaxing in your own home, playing games, but earning money doing so. Watch this entire video because I will show you all the steps you need to do so you can start this today. First, you need to sign up for an account at EarnNut. Signing up for an account is free. Click Sign Up on the top right of the website. Enter your email address, desired username, and your password. Alternatively, you can skip all that and quickly sign up using your existing Google, Facebook, or Steam accounts. After signing up, you need to select your country and preferred currency. You also have to choose which platform you prefer, web for desktop browsers, iOS, or Android. Don't worry, you're not stuck with one. You are allowed to select multiple platforms to work with. That's it for the sign-up process. You now have successfully created an account. Before we proceed, there is important information you need to know. This information is found in the website's Frequently Asked Questions section. You should not use a VPN if you want to be credited properly and earn on this platform. So, make sure to turn off your VPN if you are using one. As shown here, with this platform, you can earn between $400 to $700 a month by spending 2 hours on the platform. This earning can vary from currency to currency, which is why using a VPN is prohibited, so you don't cheat the platform and change your currency. EarnNut has a low minimum withdrawal threshold of $1. This is great because it allows you to withdraw your funds early on without needing to wait for high figures. A perfect setup for doing this as a side hustle. This platform gives you a wide variety of options for cashing out. You can choose to cash out via PayPal. You may also choose to cash out your earnings as gift cards for Steam, Google Play, or PlayStation. If you use cryptocurrency, you have plenty of options as well. Before we proceed, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more side hustle ideas. Now that we got all the housekeeping stuff out of the way, how do you earn money on this platform? There are a few easy ways to do so. One method is to choose from the different offer providers. Go to the homepage and scroll down to top offer walls. Here, you can find tasks from various providers which you can complete. Tasks range from simple surveys to watching videos. These tasks you can complete quick and earn coins, which you can exchange for real money. I will leave it up to you to explore these different offers and which one you like to do, because this is not what you came here for. You came here for apps and games. To start playing games, click on Offers. You will then see a long list of not just games, but also regular apps you can check out and earn money for. The amount of money you can earn is displayed as well. This way you can easily choose which one you think is worth doing. Here's one for $36, another for $139. Here's one for $27, and another one for $76. As you can see, the potential of earning a lot is there. Once you have selected which one to do, click on Start Offer and then click on the button at the bottom. You will see a download link or QR code for the app, and you are good to go. Take advantage of the powerful filtering options as well. You can select which type of app you are looking for, a game, survey, casino games, and other. You can also filter which platform you want to use. I do recommend going for the mobile apps for Android and iOS as they pay more and are easier to interact with. The most important filter of all of these is the sorting filter. You can sort by highest reward. You can now see the apps from highest paying to the lowest paying. Do bear in mind, however, that the higher paying the app is, the more difficult it can be depending on your skill level with games. If you're having a hard time with the game, start with the lower paying ones. Here's something you can maybe try as well. Some of these games are family and kid-friendly, so you can also try having your kids play them. That way, if they reach milestones for you, this becomes a completely passive side hustle, and your child gets entertained as well. And lastly, there is a rewards tab you can click to try your luck at winning $250 using my link. If you want to try this platform out, I have a link in the description that will give you a bonus on sign up. So feel free to use that. I also have a link in the description that will help you get into that money-making mindset for 2024. Let me know where you're from in the comments below, and also let me know your thoughts on this platform. Are you a mobile gamer? Are you going to try this out? That is it for this one. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on more side hustle content. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.